This is my avatar, and my username in Roblox is CrazyKoalaKid67. Over here I have a Dragon Meowl Divine, the best thing in the game. Then I have a Meowl Radioactive Ancient as well. And then over here I have a Caster Radioactive Ancient too. These are some of my best donuts I have. I'm gonna do a dance in Roblox. It's a raining tacos.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese.
It's raining tacos.